Hello everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Cynthia, your host, and welcome to the last edition for 2022 of Right Recipe for Travel. Can you believe it's already the end of 2022? Boy, oh boy, this year went really fast. Don't we say that at the end of every year? But I mean, this video is going to give us an opportunity to take a look back at 2022. I'm going to talk to you about all of the travel adventures we did. And then also at the end of the video, I'm going to give you an update on our plans for 2023. So stay with us. What were some of the biggest highlights for Right Recipe for Travel in 2022? Well, first and foremost, we were born. That's right, the birth of Right Recipe for Travel. We started this travel channel in 2022. I'd like to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed and supported the channel. From all of us here at Right Recipe for Travel, from me, Cynthia, your host, thank you so much for your support. And for all of our new travel family who haven't decided to subscribe yet, but you can right now, go right ahead, push that subscribe button. Welcome to the show. One of the first trips that we took back in 2022, the beginning of this year, was to Disneyland. We usually try to get out to one of the parks, either the California park or the Florida parks, at least once a year. And so for 2022, we took a ride out west to Disneyland. So we started off at Universal Studios. And then we went on over to the happiest place on earth. Took a trip to New Orleans. We got to see some of the wonderful sights, sounds, and the great food and atmosphere that only New Orleans can offer. Lots of fun. Visited local parks, free option for fun. We explored Texas Live and the luxury hotel Live by Lowe's in Arlington, Texas. And that was actually a 4-part series on that. Living, eating, drinking, and playing in luxury in Arlington. Explored some really great local places to hang out and find a different type of food option. We headed to Galveston, Texas, spending time on the beach and celebrating birthdays, and we absolutely could not miss more stops at Buc-ee's, please. Took a trip to Arkansas, the natural state. And we headed back to Texas to check out Grapevine Mills Mall. And when we were there at Grapevine Mills Mall, we did so much. We were able to do Legoland, eLife Aquarium, and the Rainforest Cafe. We hopped on over to visit the Fort Worth Zoo with a special animal encounter where we got to see the animals up close and personal. made a visit to the arcade when we went over to Alley Cats. Remember my warning? Laser tag is hard. We went back to Galveston to board our 5-day Carnival cruise on the Carnival Breeze. And during this cruise, we were able to go to Cozumel and Progreso. And of course, explore all that this beautiful ship had to offer, and also take a look at the differences that we noticed after dry dock and pre and post pandemic. We explored why Arlington, Texas is called the Dream City. We checked out Seven Kitchens and Cocktail. It's a new restaurant that was opened up in Arlington, Texas that also had live music. What a vibe. We did some virtual reality fun. Of course, we had to go to the State Fair of Texas in Dallas. Boy, oh boy, I've never seen so many unique, different eats and treats in one place. The rides were, they were outrageous. Some of them were way more than I would ever try. Definitely for the daredevils, for the adrenaline junkies. But there were some really cute kiddie rides and just so many sights to see. And we ended the day by checking out, I guess, what you would expect from a Texas State Fair. Enjoyed some sweet treats at a newly opened bake shop in Arlington, Texas. And then the holidays arrived, so we had to have some holiday fun, and we did this by going to the ballet. It's the Grinch! Hey, Santa! I don't know, the time seemed to go by so fast. We really did have plans to do a couple of other things, but it's already the end of 2022. So we're looking ahead to our calendar to try to figure out some of the fun and excitement to have available for 2023. Now I have to add, if you've been watching the channel for any length of time, you know that our group cruise that we had planned for November of 2023 has been canceled due to issues with the ship not being ready in time for that inaugural sailing. So we haven't quite decided exactly when the group cruise will be rescheduled, but we'll definitely keep you informed. But some of the things that we do know are coming up for 2023, we are headed to Long Beach. We're gonna board the Carnival Panorama and go to the Mexican Riviera. I actually have never been to the Mexican Riviera. Puerto Vallarta, Cabo San Lucas, Mazatlan, here we come. We are less than 2 months away from our trip over to Long Beach to head out on the Carnival Panorama. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, and also make sure that you tap on that notification bell. That way, anytime new videos come out, you will be notified right away. And we're still kicking around some ideas, but some of the things that we have planned are headed to Austin, Texas, headed to possibly Dayton, Ohio, headed over to Atlanta, Georgia, going down to Florida, possibly visiting the parks, the Disney parks over in Florida, all of them. And why not do Universal as well? And of course, there's cruises involved with an S, always. Let me know, is there a place that you would like for Right Recipe for Travel to go, to visit, to explore, to share with you? Maybe there's a hotel review that you would like to know about, a restaurant. Let me know down in the comments. We're still taking suggestions. Remember, the year is just beginning. Yeah. So Right Recipe for Travel family, thank you so much for hanging out with us and running through our 2022 year in review. We have had so much fun starting and growing the channel, hanging out with you and sharing our adventures. All right, we hope that you have a wondrous, prosperous, and happy new year. And we look forward to catching you at our next adventure.